Is your hair feeling dry, dull, or thinny? Are you struggling with dandruff, breakage, or color damage? You are not alone, but the good news is there are products that can help. So guys, stay tuned and I will share with you the names of these products that you'll be using. I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So in today's video I'll be showing you some of the best shampoos and conditioners for both men and women, including the heads and shoulders, the Caffeine Shampoo, Biotin and Thickness formula, and deep conditioner mask. So everything you need for healthier and stronger hair. So if you have dandruff, I highly recommend Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner, which not only fights flakes but also locks in moisture for up to 72 hours. There's even a special Head and Shoulders for men designed to deeply nourish and strengthen the scalp. So for those dealing with dryness, itchiness, you go for this shampoo and conditioner. So they have the one for total care, they have the one for classic clean, they have the one for itchy scalp. So you make sure you look for the one that suits your hair. Okay guys, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just helping some people out there who really need some hair product. So this one is hair and scalp. It also helps in nourishing the scalp and hydrate the scalp. So for those dealing with hair thinning, caffeine shampoo and conditioner are great options. They help to stimulate the scalp and promote stronger, fuller looking hair over time. So you can just go in and look for a conditioner with caffeine or shampoo with caffeine. So they have different brands for it. Okay, so afterwards we have this Biotin. This is an anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner, so you can just go for it. Also we have this wash and go shampoo and conditioner. So moving on, we are moving on to, we still have a lot of head and shoulders. So you can see this one is for deep hydration. So you all know, if you are suffering from dandruff, this is a protection a shampoo that can protect your scalp from it. So let's move to Elvive. L'Oreal Elvive is especially this one is for color hair, those people that have color hair and they need extra protection. The shampoo and conditioner are perfect for hydrating and preserving color vibrancy. So don't forget the hair mask. They also have a hair mask which you'll be seeing later. There are more products which I will be bringing your way very soon. So I'm going to stop here for now and make sure you stay tuned and watch out for part 2. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.